I'll put the cup. There we go. So we've got a hot dog. I don't really like mustard, so that's why I've not put mustard on. And I've got my cup. And over there is the drink bar. And I'm going to have to eat the hot dog first before I think about getting a drink, because otherwise it's going to go horribly wrong. But I see an open table. Can I get that table? Can I snag that table? Can I get the table? Can I get the table? There's no one going to be there. Is anyone going there? No, no one's going to be there. Don't go there. Don't stand there. Fuck off, you son of a bitch. Okay, and table! Well, I'm still here. So, we can put stuff down. So we've got the IKEA hot dog and an empty cup. We'll fill that empty cup in a minute, but first... HD この放送は SD 確かそれはそう。So it's not the law as such, but whenever you do go to IKEA, you kind of have to get a hot dog or an ice cream or something, because it's so cheap. And again, it's not like overly powering or overly filling or like the kind of food that will take ages to eat. It's a hot dog. Nom nom. Almost done. More squishy. There we go. So next, we need to drink. So as far as hot drinks go, hot drinks they have coffee, and that seems to be all they have. They also have tea actually, so you can get a cup of tea. Or we've got lemon, raspberry, pear, water, matcha, which is like an orange, and I'm gonna get a little bit of that. So I like pears. Well, I like Japanese pears anyway. But I have no idea what this tastes like, so let's give that a whirl. It's very bubbly. I've still not tasted it. I've just drank all the bubbles. That is nice. It's refreshing, like actually refreshing. That's really good. I'm still going to try the others because I'm curious about those flavors. Rip off. でも飲み放題なので何回も戻ることができる。So next we're gonna try. We do the raspberry. There we go. So again, we'll let them bubbles set. And down we go. Again, this one's quite refreshing. That this one has a lot more watery flavour. Like it's really thin. I don't know if there was just like not much syrup coming out, but it's very thin. It's kind of leaving a bit of a sticky residue at the back of the throat, like a really sugary drink would. Yeah, and it's not a great one. It's like very syrupy. I mean, I said it was kind of refreshing at the start, but after a couple of sips, not so. Right. And last, lemon. So once again, we're going to let that gas go. I'm going to also take a cheeky sip just there, so we can get rid of that tiny bit of raspberry. Now that's not so much lemon as that is lemonade, like the kind of lemonade we get in the UK. It doesn't really have any lemon flavour, taste whatsoever, no lemon smell. In hindsight, I don't know why we call it lemonade. But again, there's two kinds of lemonade. There's a kind of a dusty one, which is very kind of sweet and syrupy, and then there's the other kind which is like nice and thirst quenching, and this is more on the dusty syrupy side. Sorry, Ikea. Yeah. Also, I don't know if it's because I've just drank 3 cups of pop, but this is actually quite difficult to drink. This will probably be the last one actually, so let's move on. There we go. So that, guys, was a very, very brisk tour of Ikea. Just wait to finish this off. Oh wait, there's a bin over there. I'll throw that in there. And the cups. So now, we've still got to find the exit. Oh, hang on, that is gone out of focus. There we go. Oh, hiccup. Oh, big burp. 日本のレモネードは水で割る。carbonated はレモンスカッシュっていうと思う。なんか確かイギリスのレモネードはアメリカでなんか本当のレモネードは本当のレモンで作られたとのイメージがあるけど、イギリスはそうではない。And it's windy. We're in the windy pups. I'm surprised that they still up. So guys, this is where we end. ここで終了します。At IKEA. I was not expecting to come to IKEA today. Oh, Bilbo! Bilbo, you always come right when we're ending. Well, not always. But you sometimes come right when we're ending. It is incredibly windy. Eki前の何の駅？IKEAの近くの駅？立川駅？ that flapping? Tachikawa Eki Kitaguchi rashi. Okay, we'll go there. 見に行こう。